Believe me when I say, no matter how old your children get, a father's job is never done. It's never done.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Coach Gary. How are you guys doing today? Today I'm going to share with you how I changed the brake pads in my daughter's 2006 Honda Accord. I just finished the rear driver's side and starting on the passenger.
Time to get a better jack. It's time to get a hydraulic jack.
Forgive me for the poor cinematography in this video. Right now I'm taking off the caliper. There are two bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom. I used a 12 millimeter socket and wrench. I made sure to put the caliper in a spot or a place where it wasn't hanging from the brake lines. And then I removed the old brake pads. The one in the back took a little extra work getting off. Pretty worn out. Now, because you're going to have to twist the rear brake piston to get it to compress on this vehicle, I bought a piston compression tool, which worked great on the driver's side. But for some reason, I think the piston was too far into the middle of the caliper, and this tool was just getting stuck on the opposite side. So I wasn't able to twist it, but I did figure out a way to get the piston compressed.
Now see, this is why it's hard for me to throw anything away. This is an old lawnmower blade, but I think I'm going to be able to use this to turn that piston. Got to do a little bit of modification though.
When you get to this part, make sure the brake cylinder is lined up properly. Center or vertical lines straight up and down. If not, you're going to have trouble putting the caliper back over the brake pads. I learned that firsthand because what you did not see is that I already have the inside brake pad on, and I ran into a lot of trouble trying to get the caliper back on until I figured that out. I'm now putting the brake caliper back on by replacing the top and bottom 12mm bolts.
Like I said, a father's job is never done, but it is done for the day. See you guys next time.